type in your browser translate ghananlp.org, you'll be able to get the dashboard on your browser. And then on that dashboard, you can type in on the left, we have the English, or on the left, you have the languages of your choice. And then on the right, you also have your languages of your choice. So for instance, in this case, I type here, how are you? And then it is in, I select tree already. So you see it here, it's right, or what to send. And not only that, but there's a play button down there with a human and a voice that you can then, if you want to hear how are you or what to say in tree, you can just click on it and then it plays it for you for how to for you to know how to type it. So you can type in many things. The football game, the football game, it's fun, and then you get the translation of the sentence as well. Of course, it is not just English to tree. So you hear it again. I've added something now. Now I have how are you? The football game is fun, and then it is translated to Boboni Energy. So you hear it as well. Of course, this is in tree, but you have a lot of options down here that if you click the output language, it has 11 languages there.
Including Fanti.
There's Fanti here, there's Ever there, there's tree there. So there's Fanti here, for instance, and we can translate the same thing to Fanti for us to see. And then you'll be able to. So Fanti says, "Oh, to then Bobo agoro no ye enije." For instance, that's what is here in
And we
Fanti.
can get the voice as well.
So for the voice, the only option we have for by default is in the tree.
Okay.
The other languages for voice, we've made it accessible only on the API for people who buy the product to be able to use it for their own development. But there is Ga. If you want to put it in Ga, you can choose Ga, for instance, and then it says stay your turn. Bolucha, Shemole, Yemisha. Do you get it? So
I don't know if you could speak Ga.
I have a bit of Ga as well. Okay. So but you can there are a lot of other languages. There's Yoruba, there's Dagbani, there's Kusao, there's Ewe that you can also do and check. So
can we go over the process again?
Yes.
Yes.
So first, just go to open your browser, any browser of your choice, Chrome, Edge, anyone, and then type in the browser translate.ghananlp.org. If you type it in your browser, the browser opens with two outputs, inputs and outputs. So on the left, or if you are using your phone, is on up and down. If you are using your browser, your laptop is on the left and the right. So if you type in the one in the inputs, you can type in your sentences there, and then on the right, it gives you the translated version. You don't need to click that translation in between. That's just for language switching. So you can just do that, and then it will give you the translated language. So you can just decide.
You can copy a whole.
So yeah, we can go to Ghana Web, for instance. Go to Ghana Web and then copy an article from Ghana Web and go and paste it there. For let's see, let me just show you. So go to Ghana Web, then let's go and select some nice, interesting filler article from maybe let's say entertainment sector.
So listeners, you can also do this alone.
Yeah, you can go to if you go there, then let's say you go, I've chosen one of the art from Ghana Web that I'm going to just copy now and paste it there, just for us to see how things work.
We are still tuning to it here on FM 100.5. My guest, we are almost ending the conversation, though. Helping us with this particular conversation, Dr. Stephen Moore with the Department of Mathematics here in UCC. Sean is a co-founder of Ghana Natural Language Processing and the groundbreaking tool, the Khaya AI. Khaya is Khaya AI. translation tool that we can use. You can access it on your phone, Android users. You can use it on your laptop. You can access it on your laptop as well. Just to break the barrier, that language barrier, so you
Yes.
can really communicate with people. Yeah.
Yeah, so I've gone to my Joy online and now I've gone to copy some article from my Joy online, a bit more of a scientific technical article because it talks about sensors and so many things, and just pasted it in on the browser and then I select tree. So I want to get the translated tree and then I play it out for you as well that you do not have to be worried at all. And then after, so once I play, then you'll be able to get, you see that the speed, whether it's enough, whether it's too much. So the English sentence is in Accra, residents breathe polluted air every day, but what if the tools designed to measure that pollution are flawed? A recent study sheds light on how inaccurate sensors are undermining air quality control in West Africa. Then it translates as "Awɔ nkra no, nnipa a wɔte hɔ no home mframa a asɛe ɛ-
Wɔn kra no, nnipa a wɔte hɔ no home mframa a aseɛ da biara, nanso sɛ nwunadeɛ a wɔayɛ sɛ wɔde bɛsusu wɔ efi hɔ no yɛ mfomso ɛ. Nhwehwɛmu bi a wɔayɛ nnansa yi ma hann ba sene sensor ahorow a ɛnyɛ nokware resɛe mframa pa a wɔde di dwuma Afirika ahorow a ɛsono akontamho
Wow.
akontaabu.
Wow.
So you just copy and then paste and then you just translate and read it out. But at least even if you don't know what I've pasted there, the translated version
Exactly.
makes it very clear. So this is the idea that our grandmothers, that we can have any story anywhere, political story, scientific story, that is translated directly and voiced and for them to hear exactly in their own language. And this has a bit more impact because they are then almost at the same knowledge level as everyone, as all of us. They'll be able to get correct information, access to the right information, which is not a third party giving it to them, but directly from source, they can get this information.
Maybe in a minute you're concluding.